How often do you exercise? How often do you exercise?
I try to work out at least 3 times a week. I try to work out at least 3 times a week.
What do you usually eat for breakfast? What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I like to have oatmeal or fruit to start my day. I like to have oatmeal or fruit to start my day.
How many hours of sleep do you get each night? How many hours of sleep do you get each night?
I aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. I aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep.
How do you manage stress? How do you manage stress?
I practice meditation and deep breathing exercises. I practice meditation and deep breathing exercises.
Have you ever tried therapy for mental health? Have you ever tried therapy for mental health?
Yes, it helped me manage anxiety and stress. Yes, it helped me manage anxiety and stress.
How much water do you drink in a day? How much water do you drink in a day?
I try to drink at least 8 glasses of water. I try to drink at least 8 glasses of water.
When was the last time you had a checkup? When was the last time you had a checkup?
I had one 6 months ago and everything was fine. I had one 6 months ago and everything was fine.
Do you have any tips for losing weight? Do you have any tips for losing weight?
I focus on portion control and eating balanced meals. I focus on portion control and eating balanced meals.
Are you allergic to anything? Are you allergic to anything?
Yes, I'm allergic to peanuts and shellfish. Yes, I'm allergic to peanuts and shellfish.
How do you practice self-care? How do you practice self-care?
I enjoy reading, taking baths, and spending time outdoors. I enjoy reading, taking baths, and spending time outdoors.
What are some healthy habits you follow? What are some healthy habits you follow?
I make sure to eat plenty of fruits and vegetables and exercise regularly. I make sure to eat plenty of fruits and vegetables and exercise regularly.
Do you take any medication regularly? Do you take any medication regularly?
Yes, I take vitamins and prescription medication for hypertension. Yes, I take vitamins and prescription medication for hypertension.
Have you ever tried to quit smoking? Have you ever tried to quit smoking?
Yes, I've tried a few times, but it's challenging. Yes, I've tried a few times, but it's challenging.
What are your fitness goals? What are your fitness goals?
I want to build muscle and improve my endurance. I want to build muscle and improve my endurance.
What type of exercise do you enjoy? What type of exercise do you enjoy?
I like running, yoga, and weightlifting. I like running, yoga, and weightlifting.
How do you prioritize your mental well-being? How do you prioritize your mental well-being?
I make time for self-reflection and stress relief activities. I make time for self-reflection and stress relief activities.
What are some healthy snacks you enjoy? What are some healthy snacks you enjoy?
I like nuts, fruit, and Greek yogurt. I like nuts, fruit, and Greek yogurt.
Have you ever tried fitness classes? Have you ever tried fitness classes?
Yes, I enjoy spin classes and Pilates. Yes, I enjoy spin classes and Pilates.
How do you relax after a long day? How do you relax after a long day?
I like to listen to music, read, or practice mindfulness. I like to listen to music, read, or practice mindfulness.
How often do you brush and floss your teeth? How often do you brush and floss your teeth?
I brush twice a day and floss once a day. I brush twice a day and floss once a day.
Do you have any favorite healthy recipes? Do you have any favorite healthy recipes?
Yes, I enjoy making quinoa salad and stir-fried vegetables. Yes, I enjoy making quinoa salad and stir-fried vegetables.
How do you boost your immune system? How do you boost your immune system?
I make sure to get enough sleep and eat foods high in vitamin C. I make sure to get enough sleep and eat foods high in vitamin C.
What's your skincare routine? What's your skincare routine?
I cleanse, tone, and moisturize twice a day. I cleanse, tone, and moisturize twice a day.
Have you ever tried physical therapy? Have you ever tried physical therapy?
Yes, it helped me recover from a sports injury. Yes, it helped me recover from a sports injury.
How do you encourage healthy habits in your children? How do you encourage healthy habits in your children?
We make sure to limit screen time and encourage outdoor play. We make sure to limit screen time and encourage outdoor play.
Do you wear sunscreen regularly? Do you wear sunscreen regularly?
Yes, I apply sunscreen every day to protect my skin from UV rays. Yes, I apply sunscreen every day to protect my skin from UV rays.
Do you incorporate stretching exercises into your routine? Do you incorporate stretching exercises into your routine?
Yes, I stretch before and after exercise to prevent injury. Yes, I stretch before and after exercise to prevent injury.
Have you experienced the benefits of meditation? Have you experienced the benefits of meditation?
Yes, it helps me reduce stress and improve focus. Yes, it helps me reduce stress and improve focus.
Why do you think regular exercise is important? Why do you think regular exercise is important?
It helps maintain a healthy weight, improve cardiovascular health, and boost mood.
It helps maintain a healthy weight, improve cardiovascular health, and boost mood.
What are some healthy beverage choices you make? What are some healthy beverage choices you make?
I prefer water, herbal tea, and fresh fruit smoothies.
I prefer water, herbal tea, and fresh fruit smoothies.